We are going to be frying chicken in the most amazing air fryer ever. So, if you're in the kitchen, if you have an air fryer already, if you have this particular one that I'm going to be showing you today, and you have some time and you want to get in that kitchen, grab some chicken, clean it up, and fry chicken with me today, do so. If not, sit back, relax, grab yourself something to drink. I'm going to show you guys how I fry chicken in my air fryer. Yes, it is absolutely possible to have some delicious, crispy, fried chicken with your air fryer. You don't have to use the cast iron skillet, you don't have to use a deep fryer or a fry daddy or anything like that with your handy dandy air fryer. I am going to show you guys the air fryer up close and personal. So this is the Power XL air fryer Vortex. It's not super heavy, but it is heavy duty, so it does have some weight to it. This is what it's going to look like. It's super easy to use, you guys. I'm gonna actually go ahead and show you how I get started as if I'm cooking. I am prepping right now, so I'm going to put my chicken is going to cook on 400. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat this air fryer on for 3 minutes. I usually do 3 minutes when I am getting my air fryer warmed up and ready to go. So I don't put anything, no spray or anything on it. I just get it warmed up. It has a plug in the back, obviously you guys can see that. But right now it's just simply warming up, getting ready. So usually when I have my air fryer preheating, that's usually, I give myself, I kind of play a game because I love cooking shows. I'm no home chef. Well, I guess I could be a home chef. I'm no professional chef, but I like to pretend that I'm like on Hell's Kitchen or something like that, and I play with the time. So if I have 3 minutes to preheat, I have 3 minutes to prep my meal. So that's not gonna happen today because I'm frying chicken, but my chicken is already clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I prep my fried chicken. So I'm going to do Nashville hot chicken today. I use this Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I'm sure it's on Amazon, and I'm actually going to season the chicken first. I like my Nashville hot chicken on the spicier side, so I'm gonna just do that. So that's what it's gonna look like there. I'm gonna put my flour in. I got 2 minutes still, so I might have this prepped before it's time to go. So I'm just basically getting this ready and prepped. We got 1 minute left. And I'll show you guys exactly how I get the most crispy fried chicken. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I do and how I prep my fryer. So as you can see, this is what the inside of the air fryer looks like. It's a lot of space, you guys. I'm able to get, when I'm doing like hot wings and things like that, I'm able to get 20 hot wings in here easily. So that's gonna be the size, and that's what it's gonna look like on the inside. What I'm going to do, which I actually normally do beforehand, but that's okay, I can do it now. I normally will take a piece of foil and put it on the bottom of my air fryer. That just makes the cleanup easier. The cleanup is already easy with this air fryer, but this just makes it even more easy. So I'm gonna do that now. So I just basically put the foil in the bottom of the air fryer. Be very careful. I usually do this, like I said, beforehand because it's very hot. That's what it looks like with the foil underneath. The foil's not gonna go anywhere because it's protected with this grill here. So now what I like to do is put a little bit of cooking spray on the grill. Now you can also cook with this air fryer. You could put foil on top, but when I'm frying chicken, I want that authentic crispy chicken feel. So that's why I prefer to cook it directly on the grill. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. That's what we're looking like here now that it's coated. So now what I'm going to do is take my chicken, I shake off the excess flour, place it in here, and again, I'm cooking 4 pieces of chicken today. So I'm just shaking off the extra flour like so. One more. Boom. It's okay that it moved, but that's what it's looking like on the inside. I can put that back. I'm making a mess right now, wow. Okay, but that's okay, I clean as I go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with grapeseed oil. You can use any oil you'd like, olive oil, cooking oil, whatever. And I just take a little bit and just drizzle it on top of the chicken. And this is actually going to give it that crispy vibe. Now you don't need to use a lot of oil when you're using an air fryer, because the whole point is to not have to use a lot of oil, right? So I just put a little bit on the chicken, like so, just to give it that extra crunch that we all love when we're having fried chicken. So now we are at the air fryer. That's what the air fryer looks like on the inside as well, just so you guys can see. So what I'm going to do now, remember we preheated our air fryer for 3 minutes on 400. So we're going to close it up, power it up. We're going back to 400, right? And then I'm gonna cook this for 25 minutes. And that's it. There's presets, as you saw on the air fryer, for pizza, chicken, vegetables, whatever it is, French fries, whatever it is, you name it, they have the presets for you. I'm cooking my chicken for 25 minutes, but I'm gonna set my timer for 12 minutes because we want to flip the chicken, okay? You want to flip your chicken, anything that you're cooking. I would say besides salmon, I don't ever flip my salmon, and it is absolutely perfect. Listen to that sizzle, you guys. Listen to that sizzle. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, you see the chicken is getting done, and it is smelling so good. What I'm going to do is take just a little bit of my grapeseed oil again. I'm going to lightly drizzle on top of this side, very lightly. And don't forget that foil is on the bottom, so it's catching any of this oil. Now, because the chicken is of course not fully cooked yet, I can use the same tongs, but I'm gonna wash these after. But look at that, how crispy and beautiful that looks on the other side already, and it's not even fully done. So now I'm just gonna turn my chicken. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. And so now that I flipped my chicken, I'm going to take a little, just a tiny bit of oil again and drizzle it on top. Let's get it back into the air fryer. And it starts back, so you don't have to push start or anything like that. When you open your air fryer, it's gonna start on its own. Oh yes. Listen to the sizzle, and look at the chicken! Super spicy. It's gonna be great with ranch dressing. But as you can see, you guys, you can absolutely make crispy fried chicken in an air fryer. Look at that. Look at the color. It looks just like I fried the chicken from in the skillet or my favorite deep fryer. Good, delicious fried chicken.